within a reasonable time, you lose a precious point. For questions which require calculations, you have 30 seconds to present your answer. If there are no calculations, you have 10 seconds to do so. Best wishes, everyone. First set of questions, 30 seconds each. First one. Solve for x from the equation. Cube root of the expression 2x minus 4, this expression squared, is equal to 4. Yes, Alfred.
So x is equal to 6. Is such that x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative 1.
That's incorrect. Who rang next? Okay, go ahead.
X is such that x is equal to 6 or x is equal to negative 2.
Yes. Next one. The coordinates of the point A, the point A, the coordinates x, y. If its image under the linear transformation T such that x, y maps on to x minus 2y, x plus 2y is 3, negative 1. Yes, Alfred.
So the coordinate of x is given by the point. Thus, for the x value is 1 and its y value is negative 1.
Yes. Next one. The coordinates of the point of inflection of the curve. Y is equal to x cubed minus 3x squared plus 2x minus 1. Yes, quickly, Alfred.
The coordinate is 1, comma, negative 1.
Yes. Set 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Find the frequency at which maximum intensity occurs in the frequency spectrum for a black body whose temperature is 8.0 times 10 raised to the power 3. They made it. Okay, go ahead.
8.3 by 10 to the power 14 hertz.
That's incorrect. The right answer is 4.7 times 10 raised to the power 14 hertz. Next one. An object is dropped from rest 196 meters above ground. 2.0 seconds later, another object is dropped from the same height. Find the initial speed of the second object. All right, Alfred, go quick.
So the initial speed is 98 meters per second.
That's incorrect. If the two objects hit the ground at the same time, .24 meters per second. Next one. All right, for this one, you should listen carefully. Just advice for you. Two particles mutually interact via a force whose potential is given by U. Okay, so now this is U. I have an expression with two terms. So listen carefully. B over R, this raised to the power 8, minus the second term is 2 multiplying the expression B over R. The expression B over R raised to the power 4. And all of this multiplied by A, where A and B are constants and R is the separation between the particles. Please find the equilibrium separation between the particles and the potential energy at equilibrium. The separation R is equal to B, and the potential energy at equilibrium U is equal to negative A. Last set, 30 seconds. No, not yet last set. Second, I have a few more to go. But 30 seconds each for this set, 30 seconds each. All right. At 850 Kelvin, the equilibrium constant of the decomposition of hydrogen iodide according to the reaction 2HI going reversibly to H2 plus I2 is 1.0 times 10 raised to the power negative 2. Given that the equilibrium concentration of hydrogen gas is 0.30 mole per decimeter cubed, calculate the equilibrium concentration of hydrogen iodide. Yes, Alfred. Go.
The equilibrium concentration of hydrogen iodide is 3.0 mole per dm cube.
You're right. Next one. .432 milligram of a metal M reacts completely with 60 centimeter cubed of 0.18 mole per decimeter cubed of an acid A. Given that the equation of reaction is M plus A goes to Ma, identify the metal M. M is calcium. All right, next one. Given the following data, first, a reaction, 2C2H2 gas plus 5O2 gas going to 4CO2 gas plus 2H2O liquid. Delta H is equal to, delta H naught is equal to negative 2,600 kilojoule. C solid plus O2 gas going to CO2 gas. Delta H naught equals negative 395 kilojoule. 2H2 gas plus O2 gas going to 2H2O liquid. Delta H naught is equal to negative 570 kilojoule. Please calculate the standard enthalpy. All right, go ahead. Yes, Alfred?
The standard enthalpy is positive 450 kilojoule per mole.
That's incorrect. Did anyone else ring? Okay, I continue. The standard enthalpy of formation of ethane from the data. Yes, Lionel?
Positive 225 kilojoule per mole.
Yes. Now we are on the last set, 10 seconds each. 10 seconds. What is the purpose of the mucosal barrier between the cells of the stomach wall and the stomach contents? Yes. Yes, Abdul Wadud.
The purpose of the mucosal barrier is to prevent the action of HCl secreted by the stomach, the glands in the stomach, from acting and breaking down the walls of the stomach. So this mucosal wall prevents the HCl secreted by the gastric glands from acting directly on the stomach walls and then breaking down the stomach, the walls of the stomach, since HCl is acidic. And if not...
Did someone else ring? Yes, go ahead.
So the mucosal layer prevents the HCl secreted by the gastric gland to react with the walls of the stomach in order to prevent stomach ulcer.
No one else. Okay. Of course, you are not wrong. I mean, you told me similar things. But it's not just the HCl, right? There's also pepsin. You know that enzyme pepsin? That can also cause damage to epithelial cells in the stomach. So it's not just the HCl. You know the questions in the speed race, they have to be perfect, right? So HCl and enzymes like pepsin from actin on the epithelial cells. By the way, this is what will cause you to have stomach problems if you don't have an intact mucosal barrier.